Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked SoFi as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 77.91% since we initially recommended purchasing SoFi 43 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.81% per day since it was listed as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot predict the stock's next movement, as it could swing in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is anticipated at the level of $11.97, which could present a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, the next potential peak could be at $13.38, establishing a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 72.81% in that time frame, with an expected return ranging from 40.27% to 59.05%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 6.83% over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 45.82% and negative 10.22%. This implies a price range of $7.05 to $11.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline: SoFi stock price up more than 9.29% on Friday. The SoFi stock price gained 9.29% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, rising from $11.90 to $13.01. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to climb or takes a slight break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.96%, with a low of $11.94 and a high of $13.01. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 18.33% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, a positive technical sign, totaling 28 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 82 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.07 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $13.01, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 0.04%, or 5/100,000ths of a dollar, below the 52-week high, and 53.98%, or $15.26, below the all-time high on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price reached $28.26. SoFi Technologies is experiencing a rise in its stock price, driven by a combination of favorable factors. An analyst from Mizuho has highlighted that robust lending performance from Upstart is generating optimism among SoFi investors. This sentiment is further supported by CEO Anthony Noto's positive outlook, as he claims that the company is in its strongest position as it approaches the new year. Importantly, the political landscape also has an influence. With Republican efforts to dismantle the United States Department of Education gaining momentum, SoFi stands to gain from a transformation in the student loan marketplace. Following Donald Trump's presidential victory, forecasts are emerging that SoFi's stock could reach $22, fueled by overall market enthusiasm. Furthermore, analysts anticipate that both internal and external factors are favorable for SoFi's growth, with the possibility of the stock doubling by the year 2026. The company has been making strategic moves that may sustain this momentum, particularly appealing to long-term investors. In the short term, these developments are likely to boost investor confidence, propelling the stock higher as enthusiasm builds. Over the long term, if SoFi can leverage these positive trends and maintain its growth pathway, it may establish itself as a significant player in the financial sector, making it an attractive option for investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SoFi a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Barclays also rated SoFi as equal weight, with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Jefferies assigned a buy rating to SoFi, along with a hold action. On that same Tuesday, Goldman Sachs gave SoFi a neutral rating, also with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Citigroup rated SoFi as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classified the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock is currently showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $11.61 and $9.70. If the stock falls below either of these levels, sell signals will be generated. A buy signal was recorded from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 85.52%. A further rise is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, there have been some negative signals issued as well, which might influence short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal occurred 46 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal was noted 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal appeared 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal noted 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal occurred 58 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal emerged 30 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal was recognized 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal noted 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.47 and $10.18. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $10.47. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.18 and $10.04. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.07 between its high and low, or 8.96%. For the last week, the stock has displayed a daily average volatility of 5.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $10.47. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of October, 2024, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, Schopenhauer Eric conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also made an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Rishel Jeremy executed an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 51.867. In total, insiders purchased 8,180,783 shares and sold 27,722,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.55, which represents a decline of 3.48%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 76, which considerably heightens this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 45 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. At its current level, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate SoFi will open down by approximately 35 cents and begin trading at $12.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.